Canon Vixia HF R800 tutorial. Camera exterior. On the bottom of the camera is the tripod socket. Here's where you attach the tripod mount platform from the tripod you decide to use. The screw on the mount fits into the socket. If you decide to film handheld, there is a grip belt located on the side of the camera. The LCD panel flips out from the opposite side of the camera. To open the lens cover, slide down the lens cover switch, which is located on the front of the camera beside the lens. The record button is located on the back of the camera. The LCD panel has a touchscreen display. It can be rotated up to 180 degrees. The zoom lever is located on the top of the camera. Slide the lever to the left and right to zoom in and out. On the side of the camera, beside the LCD panel, there is a microphone terminal for plugging in an external microphone, an AV out port for plugging in headphones, an HDMI out port for connecting to an external display, a USB terminal for connecting the camera to a computer, a memory card slot, a power button for turning the camera on and off, and a playback mode button for reviewing footage. Audio settings. On the LCD screen, touch the Home button. Touch the arrows to navigate to the Main Functions button. Touch the Audio button. The standard setting is for most situations. The music setting captures sound vibrantly as it spreads. It is ideal for recording music indoors. The speech setting clearly records people's voices. It is ideal for recording speeches. The forests and birds setting clearly records sounds in natural settings such as forests or mountains. The noise suppression setting reduces noise from wind and cars. It is ideal for recording in a car or crowd. External microphone. On the side of the camera, behind the LCD panel, there is a microphone terminal for plugging in an external microphone. Audio levels will appear on the LCD screen. If you touch the Home button and then the Main Functions button, you will notice the audio button is grayed out. Audio settings are unavailable when using an external microphone. Video quality. On the LCD screen, touch the Home button. Touch the arrows to navigate to the Video Quality button. The 35 megabytes per second option is the highest quality. It records at 60p. The dual recording, decoration, and cinema look filters are not available. The 24 megabytes per second option is a higher quality than standard. The 17 megabytes per second option is a standard full HD quality. The 4 megabytes per second option is recommended for longer recordings. It creates a small file size for quick transfers to a computer or a smartphone. Shooting mode. On the LCD screen, touch the Home button. Touch the arrows to navigate to the Shooting Mode button. The auto shooting mode easily records movies by letting the camcorder automatically use the best settings for every situation. The highlight priority shooting mode achieves a more natural tone gradation for bright subjects. Use brighter settings on a TV to enjoy more details in the image. The Cinema shooting mode adds a cinematic feel to your movie by selecting a cinema look filter. You can also control other settings. The Scene shooting mode records stunning movies by using the scene mode that matches your situation. You can control focus, brightness, and other settings. The Programmed AE shooting mode allows the camcorder to control the shutter speed and aperture automatically. You can control focus, brightness, and other settings. Playback mode. On the side of the camera, behind the LCD panel, there is a playback mode button for reviewing footage. The LCD screen will display a preview of each video clip. Swipe left and right to scroll through the footage, and touch a video clip to watch it. Press the playback mode button again to exit playback mode. File transfer. On the side of the camera, behind the LCD panel, there is a USB terminal for connecting the camera to a computer. Once the camera is connected to a computer, open the computer's File Explorer or Finder. Under Devices and Drives, find Canon Vixia, and then select your video from the DCIM folder. Don't forget to move your videos to a USB drive.